Okay, this is just a quick one. I always say that you should torque or retorque the head down after the bike's run and cool down. And people say, oh, I've been a mechanic for 50 years and you don't need to do that. Yes, you do. Well, you don't need to, but you should do. So this is now, I torque the head bolts, the big head bolts, down to 30 foot-pound. So I'm just going to show you, if I can get back here. So that's set exactly the same. There. What was that? A quarter of a turn? It's just, I'm not doing the sequence, I'm just doing it to show you. So watch my arm. All the same. And what happens is, as the bike gets warm, the gasket heats up and it softens. So the torque isn't the torque anymore. So always retorque your cylinder head after you've put a new gasket on it.